Hello, my name is Singh. I'm the product manager for server products here at Advantech. So Advantech is the largest IPC company in the world for industrial PCs. Today at Supercomputing, we're taking a different approach. Most of the exhibitors are displaying the highest TDP with liquid cooling, but we want our approach will be edge AI with low TDP. So this is
one of the most efficient edge AI demos at the show?
Yeah, with low TDP SiMa cards running single CPU with a short depth chassis for you, and it could do 80 channels of inferencing.
So. 80 channels of inference,
yeah.
real time.
Real time.
Is this like the best amount of channels of inference per watt in the world?
I would say so, yes, but it's not. We don't have a real number. Yes.
You're not claiming it or officially,
yeah.
But so you're showing edge AI.
Yes, and then we also have. So this is for a small box. We can fit. This is an extended. This is larger than extended ATX. This is actually EATX. So it's a proprietary board. It's bigger than regular chassis, and it will fit into that small chassis. So that's where Advantech's strength is. It could have. This is a dual AMD board with a total of 16 DIMM slots, and then it could fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6 GPUs if needed.
So it could be GPU. You like to do things differently. Is that what you're talking about?
Yes. So at Advantech, we are known for customization capabilities. We do have our facilities have FDA certified. We can do different type of certifications for customers to meet their requirements. So it could be a medical device, it could be a military device, and we could do all the customizations for the customer. So yeah. This is a NVIDIA NGX server, so featuring 32 DIMM slots, dual Xeon. The good thing about this is it could have 4 double with GPU cards in a 2U platform. And everything is modular, so it could be removed. And then, as you can see on this side, this is also like an edge AI, so this is a half rack mount with server. So if you have 2 stacking together, it will be a 2-node 4U rack mount in a small form factor. So.
All right, and it says here you're a member of the PCIe SIG. You do a lot of open source work, a lot of development in the company.
Yeah, but mostly our partners or our customers do the software. We provide the hardware solution for the customer that meets their requirements, that meets their certification requirements, that meets their environmental requirements or their industrial requirements.
And you mentioned you are #1 in the world.
Yes.
IPC.
IPC. We have 40+% market share in the world. So Advantech is headquartered in Taiwan with about 10,000 employees.
And there's always new stuff coming out, right? New solutions, and customers, when they work with you, they can get things done very quickly.
Yes. So
efficiently.
Efficiently, that's our bread and butter, customization. So.
HDMI technology powers the global ecosystem of connected devices, enabling advanced displays that deliver immersive visuals and sound across entertainment, professional, and everyday applications.
As the preferred technology for digital AV connectivity, HDMI technology and the features and benefits it enables
links billions of products worldwide, from HD TVs, set-top boxes, and laptop to gaming consoles, projectors, and audio-video receivers. It provides the reliable, high-bandwidth connectivity needed for today's ultra-high-definition video, lifelike color accuracy, and immersive sound formats.
HDMI technology drives innovation across industries, including digital signage, medical imaging, education,
and esports. With unmatched performance, interoperability, and scalability, HDMI technology continues to define how content is created, shared, and enjoyed around the world.